Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whether you are new or you're just coming back for more. If you are new, you should go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're not new, then thank you so much for coming back. I know I took a very long break, but, you know, it was for reasons, and now I'm back. So, let's go ahead and get into this video because I am so excited. We are doing a FashionNova haul. Not sure if that's even in focus, but it's back there and it says FashionNova haul. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. So, if you don't know what FashionNova is, are you living under a rock? Because it is the cutest little online shop for super cute, trendy clothes. They're like Instagram famous type of clothes. And they also have a plus size section. They sell the same cute stuff in plus size that they do in straight sizes. I think that's what it's called. From what I saw, I mean, I'm sure there's some stuff they sell in straight sizes they don't sell in plus sizes, but they have a huge plus size collection. It is a little annoying because some of the stuff that they sell in plus sizes they use skinny models for, and that makes no sense at all, but, you know, whatever. They still have super cute clothes. So the only thing that I was kind of worried about is their plus sizes go like from 1X to 3X, and their 3X averages a size 20. So my size actually is a size 20, or a 2 or 3X, depending. Tops, normally I do a 2X, depending on the boob coverage. If it's a little tighter on the boobs, I size up and just deal with it being baggy on the waist and stomach area. It's why I tend to stick to crop tops, because then it just, you know, fits and it's cut off where it would normally be baggy. For pants, I did not buy any pants from them, just because with pant sizes I can be anywhere from a 20 to a 26, especially in denim. So I hate dealing with online stores because if you have to return something, it's just a huge hassle. So I didn't buy any denim, but I got 2 skirts, a top, a bodysuit, and 2 dresses. And I think that's like a good testing collection to try out their website for my first time. Their prices are super cheap, so I was kind of worried that it would be like not great quality, but I'm here to tell you that this stuff, really great quality. So I've got it nice. Oh, I got the hiccups. I've got it nice and folded here. I left the tags on so I could, you know, tell you what everything is. But yeah, that's what we're doing, and I am rambling because I don't even know how to film anymore, but let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're going to start off with this dress. Now this is, where's the tag? This is the One of the Boys dress in charcoal. Again, I did get a 3X and everything because I was just not sure about their clothing, and I have heard that their stuff is hit or miss. So my regular size in dresses is normally a 2X or an 18, 20, depending on the brand. But this is a 3X, which according to their size charts is a size 20. It fit great. It was super stretchy, especially on the chest area. Like I could have sized up almost on the chest area, but it was very bodycon on the below the waist, the butt. Not very flattering, but that's just, you know, my body. That's why we go to the gym, which I have not done in a few months. Oh my gosh, not months, few weeks. So I kind of like it. I would probably tie like a flannel or something, kind of hide the little unflattering part. But this material, super thick, like ridiculously thick, super stretchy, like, oh my gosh, stretchy. And let me show you guys what I thought was great. So this is the side seam, and as you can see, it's not just like a straight line that they're expecting to slim to your body and magically be the shape. No. It's got a little bit of a curve for the chest, goes in at the waist, and then curves out for the hips. And I think that is freaking genius, and more companies need to do that, even on simple things like a little tank top dress, because it makes all the difference. If it had just been straight down, it would have been way too tight on my hips. So this, huge plus in my book. And again, that is the One of the Boys dress in the size 3X, which is one size bigger than I would normally get. And it is $16.99 if you were wondering about price, which I'll have all that stuff up here. But yeah, so super happy with it, but definitely would recommend sizing up on their tank top dresses. This is also ribbed. I'm not sure if you can see the detailing, but it's literally like a super thick wife beater. Like, you know, that ribbed tank top material. Almost like wintertime thick. Not going to be getting cold in the AC in that. Next up, we have another gray dress, because why not try things in gray? This is a t-shirt dress, which honestly I've been obsessed with and have been having trouble finding. So this one is called the Torrey Tunic. So it's kind of a t-shirt dress, kind of just like a long t-shirt. And again, size 3X, sized up, and this is $14.99. So it's just a gray like t-shirt, except it goes long and has like this tunic style to where it kind of, you know, V's out and then curves to form a dress. So this was a lot tighter than I was expecting it to be. It seems a little stretchy, but like you can tell just pulling on it, it's got a lot tighter of a, like less of a stretch than the tank top did. And I think you can really tell when it's like on, because it's like, ugh, right in the belly and right in the gut. And it is very short. It's like almost short enough that I would want to wear shorts under it, but it's so tight that there's no way I would wear shorts under it, because you would see the short like right where the waistband is, and I just don't think that'd be super cute. So really, I would just find a way to dress it up and wear it as a mini dress, because why not? But yeah, this definitely size up a size or two if you're wanting to pick it up for yourself. I still might pick up another one for myself, because in reality, if I just keep going to the gym, this is gonna fit great in a month or two, so I might pick up another one. Just again, make sure you size up, because that was super tight, and I already sized up one size. So next up was this super cute like outfit that I put together. So it was this skirt, which does come as a set, like it has a matching jacket, which I might pick up just because this is so cute. So this is the Moving Up skirt, and it is again size 3X and retails for $19.99. So it's like a little mini skirt, but just like a tiny, like half an inch, quarter of an inch longer than a mini skirt. Well, longer than mini skirts I'm used to. And it's like this black and gray and white plaid type of pattern, but then it has these super cute racing stripes on the side. I've seen this like all over. It's like one of the #1 FashionNova pieces. Like everybody has one, so I really wanted to try it. It looks super cute. Like I've seen so many people wear it and it looks adorable. If you follow Loey Lane, I freaking love Loey Lane. She paired it with like lingerie type top, like a corset almost, I think, and it just looks so adorable. So I had to have it. I really like this. It's like long enough that it doesn't feel like you're gonna pop out if you bend over, but still like short enough that's like, yeah, I'm cute. And again, if you're in like entertainment kind of business, or like I am a photographer, so I kind of do my own business and can dress however I want, then this is great. Like probably not completely office appropriate unless you work in a really lax office, but kind of like business casual if you can get away with mini skirts, which I can. So yeah, I bought it and it's super adorable. And then I paired it with this black crop top, which is the Anything But Square tank, and I sized up to a 3X. It is $14.99. This is super short. It was basically a sports bra, but without any of the, like, that sports bras give you, so I thought it was going to be super cute. I think if you have a smaller cup size than I do, because I am an F, if you're like a C maybe, it'll look super cute. But for having such big ones, it just like tucked in underneath, and it was like wearing a bra. Kind of odd, not the best feeling, but it, you know, stretched out and it didn't get see-through or anything, so that was great. This is a super thick, like thicker than any tank top I've ever felt, thicker than any t-shirt I've ever bought type of material, and it's like black. So I think it's super cute if it was just a little bit longer, or if I had smaller breasts, you know, whatever. Whichever one. And again, I sized up on that, so that's kind of sad that it didn't work out. If you like super short ones, or super short tank tops, this might, or can I talk? If you like super short crop tops, this is probably perfect for you. Or if you have smaller breasts, again, it'll be perfect for you. But for me, not gonna work. The skirt, yes it will. And 3X is my average size, like my go-to for skirts. So this fits exactly how I would expect it to. You don't have to size up or down on that. Okay, so a little bit of backstory. When I met my wife, I was severely anorexic, first of all, but super tiny, like wearing a size medium tiny. And I was obsessed with these like cotton spandexy mini skirt things that have just like the little waistband seam type of deal, and then it's just like cloth. They had like cute colors or patterns or whatever. Well, after I gained all that weight back and, you know, started eating again, those skirts no longer fit. I had to, my battery is dying. And I could not find any more ever again. But I saw some on FashionNova and I was like, I need to see if these fit. So these are the Melanie Skirts, and this is in the color Mustard, which is a beautiful yellow. And it's just a cotton spandexy mini skirt. It fit like a dream. Like, I'm so happy with how this fit. I'm gonna go buy more and more colors. And then, I'm sorry, I'm talking fast, my battery's dying. I paired it with this super cute, I think it's Color Your World bodysuit. Oh, the skirt's a 3X, by the way. So again, fit just fine at the size I would expect. This is a super cute white ribbed tank top with an adorable retro feeling rainbow, which is perfect for Pride. And then it's a bodysuit. So I'm not the fan of most bodysuits because they tend to be super tight and like clutching. But this actually is super stretchy, super like not tight, but is very thin and kind of see-through-ish in bright lights like this. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. It also is super low cut in the back and you can see my entire bra strap. But I don't know, I might just put something over it in the back and keep wearing it because it's super cute, especially with this skirt. But again, I did size up, so maybe if it was a size down, it wouldn't be so big. But I think it fits great the way it is. It's just, you know, some people might want something a little tighter. And yeah, that is it for my FashionNova haul. I love almost everything. I didn't like that crop top, and I'm not 100% on the bodysuit or the t-shirt dress. So, but also overall great, and I'm definitely going to place another order. Let me know in the comments down below what you feel about FashionNova if you tried any of these pieces. And don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching!